everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya. In this video, I'm going to give a few tips to declutter your digital spaces and to avoid storage issues. If this is something you're looking for, please stay tuned. We all are very much focused on clearing our living spaces, be it our room, our kitchens, wardrobes, or everything else to make our living spaces clutter-free and livable and more enjoyable. We are parallelly dwelling in digital spaces along with our physical ones nowadays a lot. It is equally important to declutter our digital spaces and make them more easy to work with. The first thing we all look at when we wake up in the morning is our phone screens or our desktop screens. So it is important to keep them clutter-free. It is the digital equivalent to our working desk or working space. So in order to keep it clutter-free, the first thing you have to do is to remove all the folders and files which you haven't used in the past 3 or 4 months. First, make sure to check all those files and folders for anything important and make sure to store it in some other place like a hard disk to use it in the future. And if you think it's not important and if you don't need it anymore, make sure you delete it and make your digital space clutter-free. The next important thing we all have to consider is photos. We all tend to take a lot of pictures nowadays to create the memories we want to cherish in the future. We end up taking a lot of pictures for that one perfect shot. When you think you got that perfect shot, make sure you delete all those imperfect ones in order to clear up your storage space and to make space for new memories. Another important digital space you have to consider is your social media accounts. All your social media accounts are flooded with messages and posts which you no longer see or no longer need. So make sure you delete all your previous older posts which you no longer think are meaningful or which no longer represent who you are today, and clear up your social media spaces and make them clutter-free. Another important space we all use regularly is the messages. The messages in our phone, the messages on our chat platforms like WhatsApp. We all tend to get a lot of messages every day and we send a lot of messages, but sometimes we forget to delete a lot of messages which no longer make sense to us. A message from your network provider or a promotional message which you have received long back which no longer makes sense to you. So make sure you check your message inbox every day and delete it to make your message inbox clutter-free and have a clutter-free digital space. Another important thing we all tend to ignore is the contacts. We don't regularly keep in touch with everybody in our contact list. So make sure you delete all those contacts which you no longer use or which you no longer require and make space in your phone and make your phone clutter-free. Another important digital space which we all tend to ignore is the emails. We receive a lot of promotional emails and on a day-to-day basis, and my email is literally flooded with more than 5,000 emails and I never check them and I never delete them. So if you are someone like me, this is the time to delete all those emails which you no longer need. And we also tend to subscribe to a lot of emails just because we have to enter some website on a day-to-day basis. So make sure you unsubscribe from such emails to stop them from coming back. And another important digital space you all want to clear out is your apps. We tend to download a lot of apps which we use sometimes and after some time we no longer need them. So make sure you check your phone or to find those apps which are not using anymore and make sure you delete them and make your phone free from all the clutter. And also make sure to clear out anything which is not relevant to you from your inboxes, from your emails, from everywhere. And also sometimes we tend to take a lot of screenshots which no longer have any value. So make sure you delete all those screenshots and make your digital spaces clutter free. So I hope this video gave you something to take home, and I hope you like this video. Please do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting and helpful video. Until then, take care. Bye.